गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे प्लांट किंगडम के नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज। 71 विच इज हेट्रोस्पोरस टेरिडोफाइट। ऑप्शन इज ए फर्न, बी सिलेजिनेला, सी मोजेस, डी रिकिसिया। आंसर इज बी सिलेजिनेला। 72 विच इज फूड रिजर्व इन रेड एल्गी। ऑप्शन इज ए स्टार्च, बी फ्लोरिडन स्टार्च, सी ग्लाइकोजन, डी लेमिनेरिया। आंसर इज बी फ्लोरिडन स्टार्च। 73 which plant is aquatic algae. Option is A pinus, B alva, C mango, D wheat. Answer is B alva. 74 which is woody plant. Option is bryophytes, B gymnosperm, C algae, D mosses. Answer is B gymnosperm. 75 which is non-flowering plant. A mango, B wheat, C fern, D rose. Answer is C fern. 76 which has chlorophyll A and B. Option is A green algae, B red algae, C brown algae, D fungi. Answer is A green algae. 77 which plant group show embryo formation. A algae, B bryophytes, C all land plants, D fungi. Answer is C all land plants. 78 which is called amphibian of plant kingdom. Option is A algae, B bryophytes, C gymnosperm, D angiosperm. Answer is B bryophytes. 79 which is reproduction unit in algae. A seed, B spore, C flower, D fruit. Answer is B spore. 80 which is vascular plant. A mosses, B fern, C rickettsia, D cholera. Answer is B fern. 81 which plant has cones. Option is A angiosperm. Which plant has cone? Option is A angiosperm, B gymnosperm, C bryophytes, D algae. Answer is B gymnosperm. 82 which group has motile gametes. A bryophytes, B gymnosperm, C angiosperm, D all. Answer is A bryophytes. 83 which is most advanced plant group. Option is A algae, B bryophytes, C angiosperm, D pteridophyte. Answer is C angiosperm. 84 which plant has no sheath. Option is A mango, B pine, C fern, D mustard. Answer is C fern. 85 which is called fern alley. A sileginella, B mango, C rice, D wheat. Answer is A sileginella. 86 which plant has lignified tissue. A bryophytes, B gymnosperm, C algae, D mosses. Answer is B gymnosperm. 87 which is aquatic plant group. A algae, B bryophytes, C fern, D pine. Answer is A algae. Which has dominant gametophyte. Which has dominant gametophyte. A fern, B moss, C pine, D mango. Answer is B moss. 89 which is used in biofertilizer. A cyanobacteria, B pine, C fern, D mango. Answer is A cyanobacteria. 90 which is multicellular algae. A Chlamydomonas, B volvox, C Spirogyra, D amoeba. Answer is C Spirogyra. 91 which plant has no flowers. A mango, B wheat, C pine, D rose. Answer is C pine. 92 which group has seed coat. A algae, B bryophyte, C spermatophyte, D fungi. Answer is C spermatophytes. 93 which is earliest plant group. A bryophytes, B algae, C fern, D gymnosperm. Answer is B algae. 94 which plant show alteration of generation. A only algae, B only bryophytes, C all plants, D only angiosperm. Answer is C all plants. 95 which plant is called a seed plant. A bryophytes, B pteridophytes, C spermatophytes, D algae. Answer is C spermatophyte. 96 which plant has independent sporophyte. A bryophyte, B pteridophyte, C algae, D mosses. Answer is B pteridophytes. 97 which is used in food industry. A red algae, B mosses, C fern, D pine. Answer is A red algae. 98 which plant is cuticle. A bryophytes, B land plants, C algae only, D fungi. Answer is B land plants. 99 which group show true nucleus. A bryophytes, B pteridophytes, C algae, D fungi. Answer is B pteridophytes. 100 which is most primitive group. A bryophyte, B algae, C gymnosperm, D angiosperm. Answer is B algae.